One exceptional athlete has scored over 10,000 international runs across all formats, a truly unprecedented feat. This remarkable achievement sets a colossal benchmark in the history of women's cricket. Women's cricket showcases exhilarating skill, fierce competition, and unparalleled athleticism globally. Beyond the boundaries, incredible records define the sport's most legendary players. These athletes consistently push performance limits, inspiring millions worldwide through their dedication. Their monumental achievements captivate audiences, reshaping global perceptions of sporting excellence. Uncover the extraordinary statistics behind the game's most dominant forces and their lasting legacies. You'll witness how individual brilliance frequently elevates entire teams to unprecedented success. These powerful narratives demonstrate immense talent and unwavering commitment to the game. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale of their accomplishments and their enduring impact. Mithali Raj, a true icon, holds the record for most runs in women's one-day internationals. She amassed over 7,800 runs, demonstrating incredible consistency throughout her illustrious career. Her longevity in the sport spanned more than 2 decades, an astounding testament to her resilience. Raj also holds the record for most consecutive ODIs played for a team, showcasing remarkable durability. But that's just one example of the monumental batting prowess found in this sport. England's Charlotte Edwards became the first woman to score 500 runs in T20 internationals. Edwards captained her country to multiple World Cup victories, solidifying her place among legends. Her aggressive batting style and astute leadership defined an era of English dominance. Australia's Meg Lanning boasts an astonishing 7 ODI centuries, more than any other female player. She also led Australia to numerous ICC trophies, cementing their status as a cricketing powerhouse. And then, a lesser-known fact about Lanning's captaincy will truly surprise you. Lanning has the highest winning percentage as captain in women's T20 international history. Elise Perry, a phenomenal all-rounder, possesses records in both batting and bowling categories. Perry is the only player, male or female, to achieve 1,000 runs and 100 wickets in T20s. Her incredible versatility makes her a unique force, capable of single-handedly winning matches. You might wonder how a bowler could possibly match such an all-round display. India's Jhulan Goswami stands as the highest wicket taker in women's ODI history, with over 250 scalps. Her fiery pace and relentless accuracy terrorized batters for nearly 2 decades. Goswami's enduring impact on the game is immeasurable, inspiring countless young fast bowlers. Catherine Brunt, England's veteran speedster, consistently delivered crucial breakthroughs in every format. She remains among the top wicket takers in T20 internationals, known for her aggressive approach. But the most staggering bowling record belongs to a player you might not immediately recall. Anisa Mohammed from West Indies holds the record for most T20I wickets, exceeding 120. Her subtle variations and masterful control of spin proved incredibly effective against top batters. New Zealand's Suzie Bates became the first woman to score 3,000 T20 international runs. Bates also boasts over 5,000 ODI runs, showcasing her incredible consistency across formats. Imagine the mental fortitude required to maintain such elite performance levels for years. Stephanie Taylor of West Indies is another legendary all-rounder with significant batting and bowling records. She holds the unique distinction of 5,000 runs and 100 wickets in both ODIs and T20s. This remarkable dual achievement places her in an extremely elite group of cricketers. Australia's Alyssa Healy broke the record for the highest individual score in women's T20s. Lanka Waite demonstrated pure until you power here about another record for the most hitting capabilities. Lanka Waite demonstrated pure until you power here about another record for the most hitting capabilities dismissals behind the stumps.
Sarah Taylor, England's dynamic wicketkeeper, holds the record for most T20I dismissals.
Her lightning-fast glove work and acrobatic catches redefine the art of wicket-keeping. Australia's dominance extends to team records, securing multiple T20 World Cup titles. Their strategic brilliance and collective talent make them formidable opponents on any field. These team achievements frequently highlight the individual brilliance of their star players. The sheer number of records broken by these athletes continues to grow each year. These astounding records fundamentally elevate the profile and prestige of women's cricket. They inspire countless young girls globally to pick up a bat or ball. The visibility of these achievements fosters greater investment and support for the sport.
Professional leagues are thriving, offering more opportunities for aspiring female cricketers.
You can clearly see a future where these records are continually challenged and surpassed. The narrative of women in sports is powerfully rewritten through these remarkable feats. Their stories resonate far beyond the cricket pitch, impacting broader societal perceptions. These athletes demonstrate that dedication, skill, and perseverance know no gender boundaries. The sport's growing popularity reflects the incredible talent on display during every match. Increased media coverage ensures these monumental records receive the recognition they deserve. Imagine the next generation of players striving to break these very benchmarks. Legacy is not and just about numbers, but about environment paving the way for future stars.
These inspiring performances cultivate a vibrant, competitive, and inclusive sporting environment.
The impact extends to promoting healthier lifestyles and empowering women through sport. Every record broken signifies a new milestone in the journey of women's athletic excellence. Their unwavering passion for cricket fuels global excitement and admiration for the game. These exceptional athletes have undeniably cemented their place in sporting history forever. Their influence continues shaping the sport's trajectory for many generations to come. The enduring spirit and unparalleled talent within women's cricket truly stand as a testament to human potential. If you found these incredible records fascinating, subscribe for more captivating sports stories. Let us know in the comments which player's achievement amazed you the most. If you found these incredible records fascinating, subscribe for more captivating sports stories. Let us know in the comments which player's achievement amazed you the most.